Hi, Devin. Just looking at all your logos here. It looks like you have everything set up correctly. All of your artboards are 3x3. If I click through all of these in your properties panel, I can see that looks good. I do notice on all of your files, if I move this out of the way, there's actually a text box here. And when I opened up your file, I saw that, yeah, you have a little text box back there. If you push Command and just click through, you can actually get those without having to move the, so I'm holding down Command and click. You can get underneath the different layers of stuff to get down to that text box and delete it. Just push delete on your keyboard. But the one thing that hurt your grade was this, and we did kind of briefly talk about this in class. I think you'd probably have to just redo the type on a path and bring it back in and just make it bigger. But yeah, if you did that, that would be totally helpful. Maybe making it quite a bit bigger. You could even make it 90.1 FM and get rid of college radio and just leave it at that, and then make it, the same width as this, just make it 90.1 to simplify it even more. If you wanted to keep the college radio on there, I mean, you could, but you just have to give it a try and see what works. But yeah, this is looking really good. I did kind of notice that the G, for whatever reason, looks smaller, or the C, I guess, is what it is. So you could almost just size it up like separately, I guess, from using the free transform tool. You'd have to ungroup it first. But even like, I don't know, maybe sizing it up. I don't know why I'm having trouble here doing this. Maybe even sizing it up would have helped to just balance it out a little bit. I'm not sure. But overall, I really like this. I really like the color one as well. And then I did notice all of your Photoshop files look really good. You have it nicely closely cropped, which is possible because you have this sized up so well. And when you did your file export as for your PNG, this is a nice little handy box right here, this use artboards box. Just in case you might have had like even just one singular anchor point out here, oops, to the side can cause problems. I mean, if I leave anything out here and then do a file export, you're going to have extra white space in the background of your file. But you don't have any of those problems with yours. And if I go to image size, you're about 3 inches wide at 300, which is perfect. So, and everything's in CMYK color, except for this one, the PNG isn't, but I think the PNG automatically exports at RGB, so not a big deal. Anyway, good job.